Hey everyone, today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to get this onto this. There seems to be a little bit of confusion out there on the internet as to how these are supposed to fit on. I wasn't sure myself, so I emailed the company and they sent me an image of how to put these on. So basically, let's get the light off first. Now to get them on, a lot of people have been taking this diffuser on and sticking the filter on the back and then putting the diffuser back on. That is not the way to do it. The company said not to do it this way and that it can ruin the filter, so don't do it this way, no. So the way to do it is to work with these little grooves in the paper and they just slip on behind this diffuser. So let me show you. I just take the diffuser off with the magnets, pop the little groove into it, and then that stays on. And the tricky part is to get this second bit in, so I sort of clamp my finger down so that this one doesn't release, and then try and tuck the next one into, so just taking the top of that off and tucking it in underneath. And then what you get is this sort of setup. And that still allows you to then put your little clip underneath, just to pop it into here. Into there, and then you've got your light set up, and that way that gel doesn't get damaged by the LED lights. So I hope that was helpful. I just thought I'd share that because they emailed me back as to how to do it, and I noticed that there was a little bit of confusion out there. So if you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, comment. You know how it goes, to help my channel grow, and I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.